Are you looking for the perfect drone for your kid in 2025? Whether it's their first flight or they're ready to level up, we've tested the safest, coolest, and most fun drones out there. Stick around. Your ideal pick might just be flying into view. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. DJI Tello. This is a standout choice for kids and beginners, offering precise flight stabilization rarely seen at this price. Unlike most entry-level drones, the Tello hovers steadily and flies smoothly right out of the box. No steep learning curve needed. It's perfect for new pilots looking for instant fun without frustration. The built-in camera adds a fresh aerial view of familiar surroundings, making it even more engaging. Its biggest drawback? There's no physical controller. Instead, you fly using touchscreen joysticks on your phone, which feels less immersive. However, pairing it with a compatible Bluetooth gaming controller solves that and enhances the experience. Video quality is a bit choppy, but typical for this price range. Overall, the DJI Tello delivers excellent value and flight performance, making it one of the best beginner drones available today. Number 2. Eachine E010 Mini. It offers big indoor flying fun at a budget-friendly price. It comes with a physical remote for intuitive joystick control and features a beginner mode that makes flying simple and stable. Once you're comfortable, switch to advanced mode for faster speeds and sharper turns. For those who like to tinker, there are plenty of online guides for adding a camera, turning it into a first-person view drone. Its biggest drawback is the short battery life, around 5 minutes per charge in beginner mode, and even less when flying fast. The fix? Keep a few extra batteries handy for quick swaps. DIY enthusiasts can also explore mods to fit larger batteries. Overall, the E010 Mini is a fun, affordable way to get started with indoor drone flying. Number 3. DBPower X400W FPV. If you want to fly an aerial camera without breaking the bank, the DBPower X400W FPV is a solid pick. It offers a physical remote and real-time video streaming to your smartphone, delivering an immersive and fun flying experience. Its beginner-friendly headless mode makes control easier, and you can even pair it with a third-party FPV headset for a cockpit-like feel. Keep in mind, some assembly is required before flight, great for hands-on kids, but a possible hurdle for others. Also, the built-in camera produces grainy footage, even on small screens. Still, the thrill of seeing a live video feed while flying makes up for the image quality. For the price, the X400W FPV is a great entry into the world of camera drones. Number 4. Holy Stone HS160 Shadow. This is a compact foldable drone with a decent camera and slightly delayed real-time video via smartphone. Its slim design folds small enough to fit in your back pocket, making it ultra-portable. With up to 8 minutes of flight time and a spare battery included, you can enjoy more flying without constant recharging. It's a solid pick if you want a lightweight drone you can toss in your bag and fly on a whim. However, like most budget drones, the video quality is far from high def, usable, but basic. Its small, lightweight build also makes it feel a bit more fragile than others in its class. And since it lacks headless mode, beginners may need a little more practice to get comfortable. Still, for casual flying, it's a fun and flexible option. Number 5. Holy Stone HS170 Predator. If your home looks like an obstacle course just waiting to be flown, the Holy Stone HS170 Predator is a great little quad to buzz around. It performs on par with other drones in its class and can handle a few bumps along the way, perfect for those tight gaps between furniture. With up to 8 minutes of flight time and a 50-minute recharge, it's great for short flying sessions. Extra batteries are affordable too, so you can extend the fun with minimal cost. The main drawback? Price. The HS170 usually costs more than the similarly capable Eachine E010 Mini. Plus, its controller needs 6 AA batteries, triple the number required by the Eachine. Unless you find the Predator on sale, the E010 Mini offers better value for nearly the same performance. So, which drone is the best for kids in 2025? Our top pick is the DJI Tello. It's easy to fly, packed with smart features, and built to last, making it the ultimate mix of fun and learning for young pilots.